Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to the day 12 video. So we are doing a short video series, 10 minutes each roughly. And my goal is to get you introduced to the workouts that I do, the moves that we do, so that you're feeling confident and ready to do a full class, hopefully by the end of the month or in the new year. So you guys, welcome to my virtual studio. This is where we do all the fun things every single day. I live stream my fitness classes 4 to 5 days a week, and it's been amazing and awesome, and I've been able to put together a pretty awesome virtual experience for people. So I'm hoping you'll take me up on these little daily videos, learn the moves, and then come do the full workouts with us. So you can find above or below this post links to all the other previous day's challenges. And when I say challenge, I mean they're just basically introductory videos for you to really practice and learn things. I'll also put a card up here to the playlist so you can catch them all there. And then make sure you are in our Facebook groups. So the Facebook groups are also linked somewhere above or below this post. Join our group for all the fun fitness stuff all the time, all the days. Amazing community, amazing people, really, really awesome personalities. And then Lindsay's group, she's got an amazing group as well, and she's giving away workout gear, gift certificates, and all that fun stuff. So find those things as well. Let's get into today. So when you come to my classes, did I say my name is Kate? My name is Kate. We have a quote of the day all the time, little inspiration, daily inspiration. Today I want to show you some common upper body moves in what is called turbo kick. Cardio kickboxing dance fusion. It is my soulmate workout. It is my favorite workout of all time, and I hope you give it a try. A lot of people get scared because it's fast, but it is so fun. And once you learn the moves, you will have so much fun. I swear you won't even know you're working out. So let's get into the moves today. Workout screen. So what's really cool with my virtual studio, you guys, is we have front view and side view so that you have a good angle to see the form, the technique, so you know what you're doing and you feel better about what you're doing. So I want to go through, we're going to do 4 combinations, 4 moves, and then we're going to put them to music. These are upper body combinations that are very common in turbo kick or cardio kickboxing classes that I teach. And the first one is, so yesterday we did punches. If you didn't do that video, you can go back and catch. I'll put the card up here, the punches. But we're going to do a jab combination for this first layer, and it's a single, double pattern. So within the punches, we often do certain patterns, and this one is going to be single, double, which is pretty common. And so it's a single jab, and then a double jab. And your whole body moves, and to the beat, it looks like this. Single, double. Single, double. See how my feet move? Your whole body moves in turbo. Single, double. Single, double. My core is tight. I feel my abs working if I'm, pressing onto them. So try that. Single, double. Single, double. You can say it to yourself. This is going to be our first layer, okay? Second layer, we're going to do a triple jab with a cross punch. This is also a common move in turbo. We're going to be moving to the side. It's going to be a triple fast jab, triple, we do 3, and then we cross punch, and then we do a quick turn, and we do the other way. Triple jab, cross, the heel lifts there, and then we turn. Triple jab, cross, turn. Triple jab, cross, turn. Back and forth. So to the beat of the music, it's going to be a little faster. It looks like this. 3, 2, 1, cross. 3, 2, 1, cross. Find the beat. Now you can make it small to start. Make your feet small, and then as you get into it, you can go faster and bigger. Okay? All right. Third layer, we're gonna do easy uppercuts. We did these yesterday. Step and uppercut, stepping up and out, rotating the hips press forward, heel lifts. You're going up and out like you're going under someone's chin or in the gut. To the beat, it looks like this. Up and out, up and out. Okay, that's third layer. We're gonna add one more layer. It's called a high-low. Another very common move in turbo. You got a wide stance with your feet. Weight is gonna be in your heels mostly. And you're gonna be bobbing at the same time, okay? And you're gonna punch high and low. High, low, high, low. And then we switch sides. High, low, 4 on each side, okay? That's a high-low. We do those a lot in turbo. So we're going to go through all 4 layers. We're going to put them together to a song. If you can't keep up the first time, here's what you do. You try it, And then you go back and you do it again and you try it again. And then you try it again. And you keep doing it until you get it. And you will get it, I promise. Hey, let's turn the music up a little bit because the music is amazing. And we're gonna try doing those 4 layers. We're gonna break them down. We'll do them full through and then we're gonna break them down. And you guys, you can do this. Ready? Here we go. Start my song over. You ready? You ready, he says? Hold on, I can't see myself. Okay, single, single, double right here. Start with the right arm. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Make it small to start. Single, single, double. All things are moving. Feet are lifting. Woo! Okay, let's do a triple jab to the right. Cross punch, switch. 3, 2, 1, cross and switch. Make it small to start. I know it's fast. We can do this. Okay, let's go back to the single, single, double. Single, single, double. Keep going. We're just doing it again. 2 more. Woo! 1 more. 1 more. Triple jab to the right. 3, 2, cross and switch. Cross and switch. Are you finding the beat? Yeah. Okay, let's try that 3rd layer. It's easy uppercuts. We're gonna step right and punch. Easy, right? Okay, so we've got 3 layers down. We're gonna try putting the layers together. Gotta listen up. Ready? Single, single, double right here. Single, single, double. Now triple jab to the right. 3, 2, cross and switch. Uppercuts. We're gonna do that again, don't worry. Okay, single, single, double, right arm. Single, single, double again. Now triple jab right, cross and punch. Uppers. We're gonna do it again. Single, single, double, right here, go. Single, single, double. Triple jab to the right. Switch. Uppercuts. Yes. Again. You ready, guys? Single, single, double, go. Again. Triple jab to the right. Cross and switch. Uppercut, step. You ready to add 4th layer? We're gonna add that high-low. Ready? 4 high-lows to the right. 4. Now switch. We're gonna add this in. 4. Oh, let's let the beat come back. We're on the 2nd song. Hold on. Okay. Here we go. 4 high-lows. 4. Switch. Switch. Back and forth. Switch. Legs are bobbing. Feet are angled out. Weights in the heels. Okay. Back to single, single, double. Again. Triple jab right. Switch. Uppercut. Step and punch. Let's add those high-lows. 4 high-lows to the right and switch. Switch again. You guys, you're doing it. Woo! We're gonna do it all. Ready? Single, single, double, right here. Single, single, double again. Now triple jab right. Cross and switch it. Uppercut, step and punch. Now high-lows to the right. 4 and switch. Single, single, double again. Yes. Triple jab to the right. Switch it. Uppercut. High-lows right here to the right. 4 and switch. Single, single, double. Boom. Triple jab, go right. Cross and switch. Uppercut. High-lows, 4 to the right. Switch it. Single, single, double. Triple jab, go right. And switch. Uppercuts. You're getting it, right? High-lows, 4. And switch. Single, single, double from the top. Triple jab, go right. Woo! Uppers. High-lows, 4. And switch. One more time. Single, single, double. Triple. Cross it. Yes. Uppercuts. Are you getting into it? High-lows, 4. And switch. We did it. Rock out. You ready? Now you're ready. Now you're ready, you guys. You did it. That's a typical upper body section for turbo. Okay, let me turn the music down. Woo! That got my heart rate up. Yes. So, very typical upper body section. In fact, it's a very typical pattern for most cardio kickboxing songs that I teach. And it has that pattern of doing 4 moves, and we layer them and we build onto them until the very end when we do them all together at that faster pace. So you guys do that a couple times through. Practice those patterns. Those are very common patterns for turbo, very common. We do those often. So we're gonna do a couple more familiar patterns tomorrow as well. So make sure you come back and watch for that challenge tomorrow. What else? You get a sticker when you come to my class every day. Hot tamales was today. We did well, we didn't do turbo day. We did another cardio kickboxing format, which was probably even more intense than turbo. It was amazing. So you guys, find our groups, make sure you're in the groups, join those for the challenges, for the free stuff, for the community, and then also do those other challenges that you maybe missed the last few days, especially the turbo ones that you're ready to do turbo with us. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye.